As we look into the abyss, and the past and present catches up with us, we see the Gondwani devil bird.
Oh, see, devil red.
It's quite scary and a formidable creature. It has taken many lives of innocent pigeons. Pigeons whose innocence was stripped at a very young age. And across the continental shelf, we can see another one. They attack the river simultaneously, searching for prey. As we look upon the white devil monkey bird, it's quite angry and it jumps, and you can see the anger. It must leave. As we walk through the native forested vegetation, we come across a patch of wallaroo fruit. And feasting on this delightful wallaroo fruit. Oh my god! It's an endangered Gajanjagunga jibe. Oh, exquisite. It's a face-off between me and the white devil. It's very scary. I kill the white devil, and he retreats because he knows I am the victor.